Hi, this is Sue again at Tech Triad, and today we're going to learn how to publish a file from my computer. Why would we want to do this? Well, let's pretend that someplace on my website I have a newsletter and I want to update it with a newer newsletter. The easiest way for me to do that is to overwrite the old file with the new one. Give it a simple name like newsletter.pdf. And if you look over here on the left, you'll see I have a file called newsletter.pdf. And I'm going to overwrite the old one with the new one. I am already in page editing mode, and I click File, Publish File from my computer, and it says, where's your file? Well, my file's on the desktop. I know that the name of the file is newsletter.pdf, so I start typing that, and that comes up. That's my file. Select. Now, we manage many websites in Contribute. You may only have one, you may have 2 or 3, but it wants to know which website do you want to put your file on. So we're going to scroll down near the bottom and pick the Tech Triad Contribute Training Test Site. That's where I want to put the file. In fact, I want to put it in the Documents folder because that's where I keep my newsletter. So I'm going to have to find that Documents folder. So I click OK. And now it says, what's the file name? A file name is newsletter.pdf. That's good. Where do I want it? I have to pick a folder. Now, here's my entire website. I'm going to pick the Documents folder. And I'm going to select Documents, and I'm going to check this link down at the bottom. Is that where I want it? In this website, in this folder with that file name? Yes, it is. And when I click Publish, it says, oh, there's one there already with that name. What would you like to do? I want to replace it because this is a newer newsletter. So I say, okay, replace it. And now it's publishing the file to my server, and it's published. And I have overwritten the old file. And that's a look at it. This is the new newsletter that overwrote the original. And the thing is, what do I do now? How do I get back to Contribute? What do I do? Use your back button to get back to your page. And you're ready to edit again. Now it says I have an unpublished draft. This is very important. Click that link. Find your unpublished draft and either work on it or discard it. Either work on it and publish it or get rid of it. I always tell people, please don't use send and save for later. It gets you into trouble. But I'm going to discard the draft, lose my changes because I really wasn't interested in editing the page. I just went into edit mode so I could upload the file. And I'm pretty much done. That's how you upload a file to a folder and overwrite the original. Come back later. We'll have more tips and how-tos in Adobe Contribute.